name is Hernan with Granville Homes, and I'm here to show you how to program your Kwikset Kevo Lock. In order to remove the back cover, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. First, locate 3 screws, one on the left side, one on the right side, and one under the cover. After removing the screws, simply pull the cover away from the door. On the top portion of the Kevo, locate the battery pack which holds 4 AA batteries. Simply pull it up by grabbing it from both ends. Once you have replaced the batteries, insert the battery pack back into the Kevo. Be sure the arrows are pointing to the door. Install the battery cover and screws back into place. For additional setup and troubleshooting tips, please contact the manufacturer. If this still does not work, please contact your Granville customer care team.